Hello friends, I'm Shahida and welcome to our different and amazing show Vastu Harmony and You. This is the very first program in English on Vastu, and friends, Vastu not only a name, Vastu is the science, and every time we discuss about Vastu and its various aspects. And along with this, we take your queries through mails and provide the solution of course. And for this, we have here in our studio world-renowned Vastu and Feng Shui expert Dr. Rupa Batra. Welcome to our show, ma'am.
Hello.
And friends, if you have any problem regarding Vastu, you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra on these numbers, which is 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail your queries on batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can visit our website, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also join the page on Facebook, which is www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Well, Dr. Batra, we are getting wonderful response regarding our earlier program, and right now we have received lots of mail and appreciation also for you. What do you want to say?
Thank you, viewers. You have given such a nice response, very wonderful response, and through SMS, through mails, through letters, you are sending me all the types of questions, and you have appreciated this program a lot. And I hope you are getting very right questions, very right answers for all your questions, and thank you for your appreciation.
And absolutely, that's why we are getting this.
Yeah, thanks for your appreciation. Thank you so much.
Let's move to our first mail, and which is from Ghaziabad. He is OP Singh. He said, "This is my new house plan. Does this plan is conform to Vastu principle? I want to start the construction of my house, so please comment on the Vastu defect, if any."
Mr. Singh, I have got your map and I have gone through the map also, and as indicated in the map of your plot, the eastern side of the plot is cut off, and which has a negative result, and it can affect your social image too. And in the map you have given that your kitchen is in southeast, which is okay as per Vastu rules, so you don't have to worry about the kitchen, and entrance is in south, so you need to do planning of the home very carefully. It is advisable that you start the new construction under guidance of an experienced Vastu expert or consultant. Before the construction, do a boring or bore well in northeast of the plot, which should not come in the diagonal line on the axis of the plot, so that as you require water for constructions and all, so you can go ahead with boring for the very first thing. And as the major problem is the east is cut in your plot, so you have to first make that problem the solution of the problem of east cut. So you go ahead with the proper guidance with a Vastu expert. They may let you know about this problem, and after that you can go ahead in your construction and you can get better results after that.
Definitely, Dr. Batra. Well, Mr. Singh, you should follow all the Dr. Batra's suggestion, and definitely you will get the positive results soon. And friends, if you have any problem regarding Vastu, you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra on these numbers, which is 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail your queries on batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can visit our website, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also join the page on Facebook, which is www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address: Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers: 9560-423-423. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Clubs, associations, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for free Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these number 9560-423-423. You can visit our website also, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs: batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.